Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the trunk and the trunk switch, trunk actuator fuses and relays are located on this Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. Also, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information you need to know to save you money guys. In addition, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the trunk fuses responsible for the trunk switch, trunk actuator. We'll show you where you can find them. Quick advice from us guys, 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes C-Class do not know where their hidden fuse boxes are located. You have up to 6 of them, 7 even. That's why we made one special video to help you out guys. It's on our YouTube channel, it's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we need to do here now, we need to open the trunk. Here we need to find the rear SAM module, the rear fuse box. You need to lift the carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side you have carpet again that's cut out. Lift the flap and underneath you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, first we need to check 2 fuses, then we'll talk about relays, where they're located. The first one, we need to check fuse number 413. You may or may not have all of them depending on which option package you have as well. Now, if you don't have the power trunk, okay, you will not have it. Now, if you guys don't have these fuses, stay with us, we'll explain what else you need to check. But 413, guys, we'll be talking about that fuse right here. Okay, that's 413. Now, the next fuse that you need to check is fuse number 464, right here. If you have the power trunk, you're going to have that fuse for sure. If you don't have, guys, fuses, okay, you don't have any relays for that function, you may just have fuses that are known as relay fuses. But if you don't, what you need to check guys, the fuses for the rear SAM module, rear SAM module. Fuses relays for the rear SAM module, because the rear SAM module is the one controlling the trunk. So if you don't know where they're located, we have a special video about rear SAM module fuses on Mercedes W205 on our channel, check it out. Guys, quick advice, now that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well guys, and those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out, you will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.